This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
When it comes to pricing, Markets.com does not operate on a traditional published fee table with clearly itemized costs up front. Instead, the platform positions itself heavily around promotional incentives, rather than fixed, openly displayed pricing. Rather than emphasizing standard spread or commission schedules on its main pricing pages, Markets.com highlights first deposit promotions, bonuses, rebates, and reward programs designed to attract new clients. These offers often include deposit-based bonuses, first trade incentives, and trading rebates that scale based on trading volume, all governed by specific terms and conditions. Because of this structure, the true cost of trading on Markets.com is primarily embedded within spreads, overnight financing charges, and instrument-specific costs, rather than presented as transparent, line-by-line pricing. Traders should understand that promotional bonuses are typically not withdrawable as cash until predefined trading volume requirements are met. While bonuses can often be used for margin support or to offset losses, they generally cannot be withdrawn directly, meaning they function more like conditional trading credit rather than actual account equity. This makes Markets.com appear attractive at the entry stage, but requires careful attention to bonus conversion rules to avoid misunderstandings later. Feature-wise, Markets.com is built as a multi-asset CFD trading platform aimed at retail traders who prioritize simplicity and broad market exposure. Users can trade Forex, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and bonds from a single environment. The platform supports web-based trading, mobile applications, and MetaTrader integration for traders who prefer a more traditional execution setup. It also includes built-in charting tools, technical indicators, economic calendars, sentiment data, and core risk management features, such as stop loss and take profit order. There is a strong emphasis on accessibility and user experience, with clean interface design, relatively fast onboarding, and educational material geared toward newer traders. Markets.com also focuses heavily on leveraged CFD trading, allowing traders to control larger positions with smaller capital, which can amplify both potential gains and potential losses. On the pro side, Markets.com offers an easy entry experience, attractive promotional incentives, a polished and beginner-friendly interface, and access to a wide range of global CFD markets from a single platform. It suits traders who want convenience, visual clarity, and a streamlined trading workflow. On the con side, pricing transparency is limited, with most trading costs embedded in spreads rather than clearly published pricing tables. Bonus structures can be restrictive, withdrawals may be tied to trading volume requirements, and more advanced traders may find the platform less flexible or customizable than execution-focused or institutional-style trading solutions. For traders who prioritize precise cost control and execution efficiency, the promotional pricing model may feel less predictable than commission-based alternatives, especially over longer-term or higher volume trading strategies. FXTM approaches pricing in a more structured and segmented way by offering multiple account types that directly align spreads, commissions, leverage, and market access with different trading styles. Rather than relying heavily on promotions, FXTM separates its pricing through clearly defined accounts such as Micro, Advantage, Advantage Plus, and Advantage Stocks. Each account type adjusts how traders pay for execution, either through tighter spreads paired with commissions or wider spreads with no commission. The Advantage account is designed for short-term and active traders who prioritize tight pricing. Spreads start from 0 pips with commissions applied per lot, making this structure more suitable for scalpers and high-frequency traders who benefit from raw market pricing. Leverage can reach very high levels on supported instruments, which increases flexibility, but also significantly raises risk exposure. Markets available include Forex, commodities, CFDs, spot metals, indices, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and stock CFDs depending on platform support. The Advantage Plus account removes commissions entirely and shifts costs into wider spreads, starting from higher pip levels. This account is aimed at traders who hold positions longer and prefer cost simplicity without calculating per trade commissions. The Advantage Stocks account is structured specifically for equity traders, offering stock-only access with pricing expressed in cents rather than traditional Forex spreads. And leverage is significantly reduced to align with equity market risk profiles. FXTM also offers a micro account, which is intended for newer traders or strategy testers. This account features smaller contract sizes, moderate spreads, no commission, and lower leverage caps, making it suitable for learning environments or cautious capital deployment. Across accounts, FXTM supports MetaTrader platforms, expert advisors, automated trading strategies, and a wide selection of CFD instruments, depending on regional availability. Feature-wise, FXTM delivers strong execution infrastructure, support for algorithmic trading, multiple account configurations, and flexibility for traders who want pricing aligned to their strategy rather than promotional incentives. Educational resources, market analysis, and platform tools are available, though the experience is more execution-focused than visually polished. On the positive side, FXTM offers clear account segmentation, defined pricing mechanics, support for advanced trading strategies, and flexibility for both beginners and experienced traders. Traders can choose between raw pricing with commissions or spread-only simplicity depending on preference. On the negative side, high leverage introduces substantial risk. Account complexity may overwhelm beginners, and trader feedback highlights mixed experiences related to withdrawals, support consistency, and unexpected charges depending on region and account type. In terms of public perception, Markets.com currently holds an approximate Trustpilot rating of 3.8 out of 5 based on user reviews at the time of recording, while FXTM shows an approximate Trustpilot rating of 2.6 out of 5. These ratings are based on publicly available reviews and may change over time. They reflect user sentiment rather than a guarantee of individual trading outcomes. Final takeaway, Markets.com and FXTM serve very different trading profiles. Markets.com is better suited for traders who value ease of use, broad market exposure, and incentive-driven onboarding, while FXTM appeals more to traders who want explicit account structures, execution control, and pricing models aligned with specific strategies. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading platform comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and stay consistent long term. Not just what looks attractive on a marketing page.